My video guide is about getting rid of the browser notifications which are coming from the site celebfashionstyle.com. Celebfashionstyle.com is a malicious website that made Google Chrome and other browsers. This website tries to make people click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them continue their browsing or to access the website content. But the reality is that all these pop-ups are totally faulty. If you click on allow, that's a mistake, and your browser would be hijacked with a lot of pop-ups that will be attacking your screen from time to time. And these ads are not decent. They may point you to many dangerous pages. To deactivate them, access the menu, Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Go down to Permissions and choose Notifications. So pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications and remove any junk sites if you find them. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. I also recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.